Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by confirming the console model and current system update. This helps pick the right fixes. Next, close any active downloads and remove USB drives so tasks stop interfering. Then perform a power cycle. Hold the Xbox button for 10 seconds until the light goes out, unplug the power for 30 seconds, then plug back and restart. This clears cache and resets hardware states, so the system often regains responsiveness immediately. Once the console is back, free critical disk space. Uninstall large, unused games or apps to regain 1 to 2 GB or more. Then check background activity. Press the guide, go to My Games and Apps, and pause or cancel long installs or updates because they throttle performance. If the dashboard still lags, rebuild storage indexing by navigating to Settings, System, Storage. Clear local saved games only if you have cloud backups, since that forces a fresh index and often fixes sluggish menus. Finish by testing your network. Go to Settings, General Network Settings, and run test network speed and statistics to rule out slow online content. If lag remains locally, try an offline system update or, as a last resort, a factory reset with save apps and games turned on to preserve installs. If problems persist, boot into low-level troubleshooting to check internal drive health and safe mode options, and then contact Xbox support. Explain steps taken and any error codes so you get faster help.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.